This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. It's such a great pleasure to be here helping you with playing the guitar. In this video, we're going to be working on 4 more melodies together. So right now in the lesson series, we're reading melodies with tablature notation that stay on the top 3 strings of the guitar and within the first 4 frets. So we've got 4 more melodies that we're going to be working on here in this video. We're going to be jamming, you, me, and the band. We'll be playing the melody right along with bass, drum, and guitar accompaniment. So it's going to be super great. This video does accompany the Tablature Book from my Method Book series. In that book, we're starting on song number 54. We're doing 54, 55, 57, and 58. So we'll be starting on page 42. We'll be on pages 42, 43, 44, and 45. So we're just going to jump right in. I'm not going to give you any real information in this video. We've done some exercises to warm up in other videos. I've talked about time signatures a little bit. We do have a song in 6/8 time in this video. I introduced 6/8 time in the last video, so if you need help with that, you can check that out. But mostly we learn these songs using that intuition that we gain from listening. So you want to listen to me and try and play the melody the way I'm playing it, using that tablature to help you know where to put your fingers, what strings to pluck, that sort of thing. So it's going to be great. Each one of these melodies will happen at 2 different tempos, a slower tempo and a faster tempo. So you want to start out at that slower tempo. If it's too fast for you to just play along and there's places where you're kind of fumbling or tripping, then you just want to pause that video, pause this video, practice those parts, get them so there's some fluidity in your hand, and then try playing along again. That really helps you get better and better at playing the guitar. So we'll play it at that slower tempo, and then when you're ready, you can try it at the faster tempo. Okay, it's going to be great. Let's go ahead and jam together. Okay, awesome. I hope you're having fun with this. As we continue with these videos here in this lesson series, we're going to continue to do more songs from the Tablature Book. So in the next video, we've got some more songs we're going to work on. It's going to be great. Take care, and I'll see you again. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at KristenBromley.com. Take care.